everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you a few tips and tricks to design your own Pandora bracelet starting from zero. Of course, when you buy your first bracelet, a lot of people cannot afford to buy the whole full bracelet. So this is why I'm going to show you how I started to get my Pandora bracelet fuller, the things that you should probably buy like on the first hand. So the first thing that I bought was a Murano bead, and I wanted, like, the Murano will define the color and the theme of your bracelet. My favorite color is pink, so I really wanted to get a first all pink theme, princessy kind of bracelet. So the first thing that I bought was this Murano charm. Sorry for the lightning, it's not really nice today. And this one would be on the center, and this is like a good beginning. Then the second thing that I didn't get back then, but I think it's really important, would be the two clips. Because if you buy more charms and you don't have any clips, your charms will slide and it won't be like structured. With this, you will have like more visibility to structure your bracelet. I'm going to put this all here at the moment, and then at the end I'm going to show you how it looks. So then you're going to define your centerpiece. So either you want to add a dangle charm, or you can also add like a bit like more detailed charm. For example, I would recommend something like this. Like this one is Pandora rose, but you can of course choose to have like all silver. And then you will see that this charm here is pink at the center, and then it will match your bracelet and the clips. If you want, for example, to have like a bracelet that is like all one color or one theme. Then I think that the cutest thing would be to add a dangle charm in the center, right here. And then you will see that with only like 5 charms, like 3 charms and 2 clips, you will get like a bracelet that looks like nice and defined and detailed also. Then the last thing for the centerpiece would be adding a second Murano. So of course many people choose to have like 2 Muranos from the same color, but for this bracelet I choose this pretty blue one, and then I added it like this. And this one could be like better and the best, and you can like leave it like this, but as you can see, it misses a bit of symmetry here. Like in here you want to add something and you have 2 choices. Either you want to get like a full detailed charm, or you want to have something with the same shape. For example, a heart-shaped one. Now I'm going to put this all together, and you will see you will see the results. So here is how it looks when put all together. And then a lot of people don't like their bracelet to be too heavy, especially when you first begin with Pandora. So this design could be enough. But for the people who really want to get like a full moments bracelet, the thing that I would recommend is always to buy your charms like similar ones. You don't have to buy the same one, but for example, for those one here, like they're from the same collection. Oops, sorry. And one is a cupcake, the other one is a coffee cup, and they're not the same, but they are similar, and then they create like your theme. And also, for example, those 2 here are just simple silver pieces, and even if they're not the same, they come from the same theme. They're all silver, and you can put one on each side. I also have those cute round shaped scissors with pink details, clear and pink details. And then 2 heart charms. Those are the only ones that I have like the same, because I like to buy different ones each time. And then lastly, if you want to add some movement to your bracelet, you can add 2 dangled charm, 1 on each side. And this will be around 70 charm. It's the average amount of charm that you can fit into 18 centimeter bracelet. So now I'm going to put all this all together and then going to show you how it finally looks. Also, one thing is that when you want to get a full bracelet, and also if you have an open charm at the end, for example this one, it's better to have a safety chain, because it can happen maybe at your workplace that the clasp opens up and then it will, like, everything will fall off. So the safety chain would be like the final detail to add to your bracelet, and maybe try to buy one that matches your theme. And this is the final result. So as you can see, we still have the center part in the middle, and then like step by step you will be able to add your charms, always trying to get 2 similar ones to get like this perfect symmetry between the 2 sides. And then of course the safety chain to protect your investment. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope those tips will be helpful for you in the future. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.